Welcome everyone. This is Learn City. This is the city where learning is made, furnished, provided for you to learn at ease. We provide you with all resources you need to be the best in that professional assessment, academic examination, or any form of certification you are pursuing. Welcome to today's class. Today, we will be considering a very significant and substantial aspect in the accountancy profession. Are you pursuing ACCA, ICAN, ACA, AAT, that's an ATS level in Nigeria? Then I say, you are welcome to today's class. Today, we'll be considering a topic which says capital budgeting and investment appraisal. Capital budgeting and investment appraisal. This is one of the topics that is germane, peradventure in ACCA syllabus, or probably in CFA, or any form of accountancy related professional certifications. This is a topic that is inevitable. It is a topic that, irrespective of what, examiners are always eager to test. Capital budgeting, as I said, and investment appraisal. I'd like you to call your loved ones, your colleagues, share this video with them, because this is a resources that has been built in an arsenal of education in Learn City. Capital budgeting and investment appraisal. In the financials, anytime there is an intuition to actually invest, the chief financial officer or the financial manager is expected to evaluate the investment. This is what we refer to as investment appraisal. The process of evaluating the proposed investment. This is what is referred to, according to what I said, as investment appraisal. Then, what do we refer to as capital budgeting? According to what I said, the two of them are tantamount to each other. They are synonymously used in the financial management aspect of accountancy. Don't forget, I'm talking about expenditure in accountancy. We have two forms of expenditure. And this is the operating expenditure, which we call OPEX. OPEX is the expenditure that is recurrent, is daily. Any form of expenditure that is actually incurred on a day-to-day basis is referred to as operating expenses, OPEX. But alongside, there's a form of expenditure that we refer to as capital expenditure. In the financials, we call this CAPEX. Now, anytime the firm or probably an organization is willing to embark on a capital investment or a capital project that will involve a capital expenditure, there is always a need to appraise such type of investment. Then, this leads us to the definition of investment appraisal. Investment appraisal, as the name implies, is the evaluation of proposed investment project. Listen to the word. It is an investment project, but is not yet embarked on. Are you getting it? Anytime the chairman of a firm, the CEO or the MD plans to pursue a project, don't forget, it's only in the proposal, it's only proposed. It's always expected that the chief financial officer, the CFO, or the financial controller, or the financial manager to actually evaluate the proposed investment project. So, we say, investment appraisal is the evaluation of proposed investment projects involving capital expenditure. Don't forget I mentioned the other time that Capital budgeting and investment appraisal does not relate with operating expenditure, OPEX, no. It's actually related only with capital expenditure. So, when an investment project is proposed and is going to involve a capital expenditure, don't forget the word capital. Simply means is a substantial expenditure. It is going to involve a huge amount. It's going to involve, as a matter of fact, a very material amount of money or fund or cash flow. So that's why we refer to it as capital expenditure. So it is the duty of the financial manager. Don't forget, this is one of the reasons that why it is inevitable in SCCA question, in ICAN question, or ATS question. ATS, I mean ATS 3, cost accounting. In ATS question, that this topic is always tested every year because it is an inevitable part in the professionals. So, back to our definition. Investment appraisal is the evaluation of proposed investment projects involving capital expenditure. Before I round up this class, I would like us to look at just the outline of the two specific methods or different methods of investment appraisal. Actually, in advanced accounting, there are different methods in which an investment can be appraised. Don't forget, the essence of every appraiser is to look at that is this investment, is it financially worthwhile or not? But don't forget, to every ends, there must be a means. That's in economics. So, to every result to be getting, actually, there must actually be a method. So, we look at what are the methods of investment appraisal. Stratificationally, if we are going to stratify it, there are mainly two broad categories in which the methods of investment appraisal could be subclassified. We have the DCF method and what we refer to as the non-DCF method. What do I mean by DCF method? We are going to be looking at this in our next class. Don't forget, like this video, share with loved ones and colleagues, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So we continue in our next class on the methods of investment appraisal. Thank you.